Yes, there was investing version 1 described in Intelligent Investor. Buy the stock and collect dividends, and then use them to buy more stock. But then the law has changed. In 1945, dividends are taxed, and companies collecting millions of dollars in dividends, they don't want to pay tax. And this is why companies lower the dividends, and some don't pay dividends at all. For example, Meta doesn't pay dividends. Amazon doesn't pay dividends. Berkshire Hathaway doesn't pay dividends. Even though Warren Buffett talked a lot about the book The Intelligent Investor.
When I read the book, The Intelligent Investor, and then I read Ben Graham, The Intelligent Investor.
In the same book, we see rules for common stock component. And what do we see on third point? Each company should have a long record of continuous dividend payments. So Warren Buffett's company doesn't fit in the description in The Intelligent Investor. Well, in the previous video, 12 best investing books in 16 minutes, I pointed out that The Intelligent Investor was published in 1949, when dividends was exempted from tax. Same moment when dividends were taxed, companies lowered dividends. So we know we can't rely on 70 years old book alone. And this is how was formed Investing version 2. Make two lists. One with stock that will grow, with or without dividends, and second list with stocks that will pay dividends. Fun fact, if you ask Google what are the best books about investing, you will get this list. And in the first column, we see Peter Lynch with his book One Up on Wall Street. In there, you can tell he doesn't like dividends. He wrote, "I'll take aggressive grower or stodgy old dividend payer any day." Well, of course, these days, dividends are ridiculously low. In 1899, the term dividend aristocrats was coined. It should mean companies that pay good dividends. So let's see the dividend aristocrat stock. Okay, let's see top 7. First on the list is Joel Greenblatt Alliance INC at 6.52% dividend yield. But let's see how much it paid. And we see quarterly dividend amount 48 cents. If you buy the stock at $20.15, after 1 year you get $1.92. On the second list is 3M Company. Quarterly dividend amount $1.50. If you buy the stock at $98.50, after 1 year you get $6. On the third list is Realty Income Corporation. Quarterly dividend amount 77 cents. If you buy the stock at $50.94, after 1 year you get $3.08. So long story short, we can see that even with dividend aristocrats, you can't get high annualized return, not on dividends. And this is how Investing version 3 was formed. Find undervalued stock that will blow up. Technically, this is active investing. Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and Joel Greenblatt are into active investing. And ask yourself why Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, has 383,000 of employees. If Buffett just collects dividends and then buy more stocks, he would have maybe 10 employees. Plus, we saw that there is no way to achieve 19.8% annualized return in dividends. So, let's look into Greenblatt's approach to stocks, because he reached 48.5% annual return. So this is the Investing version 3. And I know that people will love it or hate it, calling it Investing version 1, Investing version 2, and Investing version 3. But we can agree that investing described in Intelligent Investor and versus Greenblatt Magic Formula, it's not the same thing. And Greenblatt method is proved. You can see it from websites and YouTube videos. And this is very simple. 7 steps to do it. Step 1, go to magicformulainvesting.com. There is a link in the description. Step 2, choose company size with market capitalization of $50 million and up. Step 3, click and get a list of top-ranked Magic Formula companies. Step 4, invest only 20 to 30% of money you intended to invest during the first year. Buy 5 to 7 top-ranked companies. Step 5, repeat step 4 every 2 to 3 months until you invested all the money you have allocated. After 9 or 10 months, This should result in a portfolio of 20 to 30 stocks. Step 6. Sell each stock after holding it for 1 year plus few days for tax purposes. Use all the money from sale to buy new stock from step 4. And last, step 7. Continue this process for many years. So, click the like button and subscribe for more useful chat from Web Business Knowledge.